Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to add videos on a Threads post. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add videos over onto your Threads posts. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, all we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Threads application. And let's go ahead and try to create a new post by tapping on this middle icon. Now, next, we have this option to access our Photos app, and I want you to go ahead and tap on that. As you see, we now have the option to choose a specific video on here. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one right here. Tap on Add, and well, you can now go ahead and type a description or a thread or a caption to this video. Tap on Post once you're ready. And that's how you guys could easily go ahead and add videos over onto your Threads post. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys will learn something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.